How to find groups, notifications, light color settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find groups, notifications, light color settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and after you click on it, here you will find the notifications, and then just scroll down until you find this one, groups category, and here you will find light. Just click on it and here you can change it. As you see, you can make it any color you want and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.